Good shot from Mindoro. And down goes into a firefight. Doesn't have a second. Body shots too. Not the holding tight.
Punch in between. Came out the heart of Good John.
Trying to fight fire with him.
Atlas, you can close your eyes and hit the guy.
Big shot.
Big extra seconds. Mindoro trying to swarm another knockdown.
Big shot there on the inside.
Oh, what a right hand. This is over. Wow.
Isang Pinoy top prospect sa middleweight division ang hinahangaan at inaabangan ngayon ng mga Pinoy dahil sa pambihira nitong lakas at bangis ng kamao nito, ang tinaguriang triggerman na si Wiljon Mindoro. At dahil sa angking lakas ng kamao nito, lahat ng nakalaban ay knockout ang inabot nito sa kamay ni Mindoro. Sa kasalukuyan may undefeated record si Wiljon Mindoro na 13 wins, 13 knockouts. Samantala matapos ang sunod-sunod na knockout wins ni Mindoro sa kapwa mga Pinoy, ay sinubukan na nitong mapalaban sa isang Indonesian boxer na si Wimpi Rek, isang veterano na pagdating sa boxing dahil 45 na laban na ang nagawa nito kumpara sa Pinoy na 9 na laban pa lang. At dito masusubukan ang kakayahan ng ating kababayan na kung saan knockout ang inabot ng Indonesian boxer sa kamay ng Pinoy. Sa pagsimula ng laban ay puro iwas at depensa ang ginagawa ng Indonesian dahil alam niya may kakayahang magpatulog ang Pinoy. Sa round 3 ay nakakaramdam na ang Indonesian ng lakas ng kamao ng Pinoy. At dito kaliwat kanang kombinasyon ang pinakawalan ni Mindoro at isang right uppercut ang tumapos sa Indonesian boxer. Panalo si Wiljon Mindoro via third round knockout. Samantala sunod na nakaharap ni Mindoro ang isang Japanese boxer na si Mao Tameda na dumayo pa sa Pilipinas upang bigyan umano ng unang talo ang Pinoy. Ngunit round 1 lang knockout ang inabot nito sa Pinoy. Kaya naman sa pagsimula pa lang ng laban ay binakbakan agad nito ang Pinoy. Gustong tapusin agad ang Pinoy. Dahil sa gigil ng Hapon at gustong matamaan nito ang Pinoy, kaya nakipagsibayan ito kay Mindoro. At dito tinamaan ng Pinoy ng isang uppercut na nagpabagsak sa Japanese boxer. Sa pagpatuloy ng laban ay muli itong nakipagbakbakan at nakipagsabayan sa Pinoy. At dahil ayaw umatras ng Hapon, ay talaga nakikipagpalitan ito ng mga kombinasyon sa Pinoy at muli itong tinamaan ng isang right hook na nagpatulog sa Japanese boxer. Panalo si Wiljon Mindoro via first round knockout. Samantala, July 10, 2024 ay first time ni Wiljon Mindoro na lumaban sa labas ng bansa na ginanap sa bansang Amerika na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang British boxer na si Tyler Goodjan. May record itong 13 wins, 5 losses at 4 knockouts. Habang si Weljon Mindoro ay may malinis na record na 11 wins, 11 knockouts. Samantala sa laban ng dalawa ay buong akala ng Briton na masisindak nito ang Pinoy dahil sa haba ng kanyang balbas at tatuan na katawan nito ay binugbog lang ng Pinoy at pinabagsak ng 3 beses ang maangas na British boxer.
About the way he cut weight, UK Commission pulled his license.
Successful over there, and did very well. Had some good wins. Became a real fan favorite over him, and pretty much made his name there, made his bones there.
All Bass and Saunas on a podcast, they called me and pulled me.
And then you wonder why guys lie when they say the way they make weight. Right?
So exactly the easiest cut I've ever had.
Team, likening him to Manny Pacquiao. A small package packs a big punch.
Mindoro a lot stockier. He's trying to make Mindoro uncomfortable. You know, a guy with that many knockouts, how good John is trying to maybe get in his head, but be better off cutting off the ring on Mindoro.
Talk to Good John. He didn't talk about Mindoro is a knockout puncher he has in deep water. That's where Good John wants to bring him, but right now Mindoro teeing off those big shots.
With the head movement, Mindoro's having trouble getting to him. Big John got hurt to the body, now he's getting hit with some big shots.
Hard, you got to throw in between. Throwing those hard, big shots.
This all started with a body shot, so champ. 2011, a solid pro for him.
Good uppercut.
Oh, good shot.
Nice upper.
Ben Knuckles a cut.
Won by decision. 9 of his 13 wins.
He's an 18-fight pro, so a ton of experience for Good John, and he's trying to use that to take advantage of Mindoro.
Shots Mindoro, and I was like, all right, I got a crazy guy in front of me.
Also, his backhand punchers don't punch the same way when they're on their back foot.
Back the champ. Oh.
Oh, good uppercut there from
You gotta understand, he's got all these knockout wins. He might be the kind of guy who also has been used to hitting guys.
He becomes intimidating.
Good John is doing a great job putting punch. Upper body move from Good John, man. He's keeping.
Sa round 2 dito naramdaman ng Briton ang bagsik ng kamao ng Pinoy.
You guys talk about it all the time.
Oh,
Catch and
good
shoot.
shot.
Nice shot from Mindoro, and down goes Good John. Popping up a little too early.
Sa pagpatuloy ng laban ay pinaulan ng kaagad ni Mindoro ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon at isang right uppercut ang nagpabagsak muli sa British boxer.
Good John getting into a firefight. Doesn't have a second knockdown of round number 2.
Pinilit kaagad na tumayo kahit makikitang hilo pa ito. Kaya naman agad itong binakbakan na nagpaluhod sa British boxer.
Shots, the referee to the
He
step
may
in.
have to hold here. Let's see if he holds.
Oh, body
Good
shots
John
too.
got the holding
Trying to
time.
punch in between. Can't knock the heart of Good John.
Trying to fight fire with fire, and it's over.
Panalo si Weljon Mindoro via second round knockout. Samantala matapos ang 4 na buwan ay nito lang November 9, 2024 ay muling napalaban si Mindoro sa bansang Amerika na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Brazilian boxer na si Lucas de Abreu. May record itong 14 wins, 5 losses at 11 knockouts. Habang si Weljon Mindoro ay may undefeated record na 12 wins, 12 knockouts. Sa laban ng dalawa ay hindi pinaporma ng Pinoy ang Brazilian boxer. 3 beses pinabagsak at tulog ang inabot nito sa kamay ng Pinoy.
Early stoppage too, so normally he does take.
Chris, you and I were talking about this off-air Mindoro position, and he's built like a you-know-what house he can hit.
Yeah, a little more. He, very, very similar in terms of he was looking to bang you, beat you up. He landed a good right hand over the top.
And he's a pro, but this kid had over 100, 120 amateur fights at a good level in Brazil.
A fantastic time. December 7th. Don't miss it on Pro Box TV.
Rare length and reach and amateur pedigree, like you said, champ, to find
He
holes.
had some punches in that fight. He's a tough dude,
Ooh,
British guy.
shots.
Which makes him fun, but
Yeah.
exactly. Better word. On the inside, Mindoro.
Round number 1 draws to a close.
Opportunities for De Abreu to take advantage of that from fighting at a distance.
Smith alongside Chris Algieri, Paulie Malignaggi. Mindoro is going wild with some power shots.
Yeah, but he's smothering a lot of his work here. And honestly, De Abreu's gonna bump him.
And even though that also loopy shots going backwards, you could hit at the apex of the punch.
We just finished the Manny Pacquiao general. He may have run into them himself or whatnot, but that's the thing with Mindoro. I think Mindoro also, right now, once you have a great fighter, just finished his era. Copying. Chris, uppercut there by Mindoro.
Chris, you know something about that, right? You heard of that guy?
Yeah,
Manny
Manny
Pacquiao?
Pacquiao. You can't find a single Filipino fighter who doesn't want to be like Manny Pacquiao. So yes, I agree. Mimicking that style, but there's only one man.
Copying, it's still exciting.
Yeah.
Mindoro,
I'm certainly
Mindoro's
excited.
Wade.
Jimmy, getting over those skis quite a bit. Good righty back into the ropes.
Oh, nice coming.
Yeah.
Looks like De Abreu found a little home.
Bago matapos ang round 2 ay dito tinamaan ng Pinoy ng right straight na nagpaluhod sa Brazilian boxer.
Eddie Atlas, you can close your eyes and hit the guy.
Oh!
Big shot. Big right hand, and down goes De Abreu.
Sa pagpatuloy ng laban, 10 seconds bago matapos ang round 2 ay muling tinamaan ng Pinoy ng isang right hook na nagpaluhod muli sa Brazilian boxer.
Oh, couple extra seconds. Mindoro trying to swarm another knockdown.
You gotta watch out for those hits while he's down.
And he's speaking to the referee.
Looks to be saved by the bell. And
Sa round 3 ay nagpakaula si Mindoro ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon at isang right hook ang solidong tumama sa sintido na nagpatulog sa Brazilian boxer.
Oh, big shot there on the inside.
Right hand. This is over.
it's bad, and this is what caused it,
Big
gentlemen.
the temple shot. Big overhand right, takes the legs, falls almost into a crouch, and he's gonna beat, but then loses his balance, falls back, head hits the canvas very hard. We can hear it ringside. That's a scary night.
Panalo si Wiljon Mindoro via third round knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Ibigay ang iyong komento sa baba at huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po.